Hi, Johnny here. Today I'm excited kasi it's already our day 5 of our 90 days 1 million peso challenge. Kumusta na ang efforts ninyo? I hope you're on the way na to get that seal or to build your organization. Today, we're going to be discussing na prospecting is the cornerstone of our business. It really is. Isipin nyo, kung wala kayong prospect, wala kayong qualify, wala kayong titripping, wala kayong i-book. If you're building naman an organization, kung wala kang prospect, wala ka rin magiging sales partner. So basically, our business revolves around prospecting. Without a prospect, basically, wala tayong negosyo. Wala na tayong pinag-uusapan dapat kung walang prospect. At if there is one thing, isang bagay lang na magiging magaling kayo or you have to be an expert on, it's really on prospecting. Dahil na everything revolves here, ito na yung i-master nyo. Okay lang na hindi kayo magaling sa mga ibang bagay, pero master prospector kayo, ayos na yun. Okay? Sabi nila, sales is the lifeblood of the organization. Sabi ko naman, prospecting naman is the lifeblood of sales. So, make every day a prospecting day. At every day dapat dumadagdag yung prospect nyo as you become better in terms of prospecting. At maghanap kayo ng bagong ways to prospect. Don't just settle for one medium. If it's internet, don't just settle for internet. If it's flyering, don't just settle for flyering. If it's, KKK, don't just settle for KKK. Mag-venture out kayo, mag-try kayo ng ibang bagay. At definitely, kung minaster nyo ang magpa-prospect, sigurado, 90 days, baka hindi lang 1 million ang makuha ninyo. Again, make everyday prospecting day. Good luck.